Hi, I'm Mark from Oliver's, and today we're here in Daniel Way in Camber to have a look at this lovely 4-bedroom detached bungalow, which happens to be just around the corner from the sea. So why don't you come in and have a look? If you're looking for the holiday lifestyle, then this is the perfect property. Daniel Way is a private cul-de-sac set just round the corner from the beach. It has a wonderful outside space, beautiful bar, a place for all the family and friends to meet and greet and just have a fantastic time.